Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. First one is right here, and that's your main speaker. Next is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. And another one is on top of the screen, and that's also a speaker. So to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. Cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from all of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, and that means this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.